Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. This is a beautiful Celine bag. It is the micro belt bag and I'll talk you through the features. So we've got one nice structured top handle, and then on the back you can see we've got one removable strap which attaches on just those two loops there. And then on the back we also have this one zipped flap pocket, so that zip works beautifully. And then you've just got a nice little pocket on the exterior there, with a lovely leather zip hood as well. And then we have a flap closure, and I love this feature, little strap belt on the bag, just on the flap closure. I think it's really nice. And then we've got on that flap closure we've got a little coin slot fastened, so it just slips out of there. So if you pull it down, and then that flap closure just comes out from under that belt like that. And then we also have on the top of the bag a zip top closure, so that's open at the minute. I will show you closed in a second, but we've got a lovely suede lining and then one flat pocket at the back as well. And then that zip top closure just zips up like that, so still works very nicely. This grained calfskin leather I love. I'll just pop that back under there. That just slips under that belt like that. That grained calfskin leather is a lovely texture, and I love this kind of leather that's a bit more kind of structured and rigid, because it just gives it a lovely shape, and it looks very kind of sophisticated, which I really like. The condition of this one is beautiful. We've called it very good all around. The reason we've called the exterior very good is you can see, I'll just open up that flap closure again so you can see it a bit more clearly. There is a really minor mark on the flap closure, and it is just here. You can see it's really, really small and barely noticeable. And then we have a little bit on the leather there. You can see it only in certain lightings. There we go. And it's not actually a mark. It's not really kind of a sign of wear. It's just kind of a natural thing that happens with the leather. So it's gone a little bit of a different texture just in that little spot there. Again, it's not a sign of wear, it's just kind of a natural occurrence in that leather. But other than that, it is in a gorgeous condition. You can see that shape is still really beautiful. Those corners are in a lovely condition as well. And then the interior, I'll open that up and show you again. In there, that flap closure has got a little bit of marking on that suede, but really nothing major. And then interior again, there's a little bit of marking just on that base, which is difficult to see in this lighting, but you can see just at little glimpses. There's just a couple of marks here and there, but again, nothing major at all. And the hardware is still that lovely gold tone, but there's just perhaps a few signs of where it's dulling a little bit on that gold tone, so that is why we have called that hardware very good as well. So overall, a very, very beautiful looking bag in a beautiful condition. And I'll just pop that shut again like that with that coin slot fasten. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Celine dust bag, and then we also have a Celine card sleeve, and inside there we've got Selfridges receipt, and then we also have another little Celine card envelope, and inside there we've got the Celine product tag for this bag, and then we also have a little Celine care guide booklet as well. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to the Celine. You can find more details on there, and again, that is the link to shop, so if you're interested in buying, you'll be able to purchase it through that link. If it doesn't take you directly to the Celine from that link, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list that you can get onto, so if you are sad that you've missed out on this, just let us know that you love this. Send us through an email, fill out the contact us form on our website, and we will pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one like this, we will let you know and we'll send you through an alert with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the request list, but if you wanted to know, again, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me, so I'll come back and show you that. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4" for reference, and again, the combination of that grained casting leather and that beautiful shape just makes it look gorgeous. It's a very sophisticated looking bag, and again, you can also pop it over your body with that removable strap as well, so you've got a little bit of a different option there also. So if you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any other gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website as well, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through there, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.